I've been doing DoorDash for over 8 years now, and if you thought those first hacks were good, wait until you hear the next one. This is part 2 of the ultimate DoorDash cheat code hacks. DoorDash definitely doesn't want you to know. Let's get into it. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, AD, back at it with another one. Welcome back to the channel, Miles and Money, where we talk about everything miles and money. Subscribe and hit the like button below, because I already know you're going to like this. Let's try to get this video to 500 likes. I know it's a lot, but y'all can do it. Let's run these numbers up. Number 1, hidden tip. See, a lot of y'all out here be declining orders without realizing some got hidden tips. DoorDash think they slick. They'll show you an offer that ends in 50 cents or 75 cents. That's usually a sign that there's more coming after that delivery. Like, I'm talking $7.50 before you deliver the order, then boom, it turns into $10 that order. Sometimes 12 or even 15, especially if it's coming from one of those high-end restaurants. You gotta learn the patterns in your market if you want this hack to work. Number 2, completion rate. Now, some of y'all think y'all can just unassign every trash order, but DoorDash be watching. If you do it too much back to back, they'll flag you. Here's the play. Accept the order, chill a couple minutes, then unassign. That way, it don't look crazy on your metrics. Don't overload this though. Dash smart, not reckless. Number 3, catering orders. This one right here is a gold mine. You ever see those $30, $40, even $60 orders sometimes? Well, that's the program called DoorDash Drive, the large order program. They don't promote it heavy, but if you got good ratings, you can apply for it. You'll be delivering catering trays to offices and all types of events. If you have the stats, try to sign up for it in your market and see if it helps you out any. If you're getting value from my video, like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to support the channel more, click the links down below. Buy me a beer. Number 4, algorithm reset. If you notice you getting straight trash, $2 here, $3 here, it's time to hit DoorDash with the decline, fine old trick. You either decline 10 lowball orders in a row or pause your dash 10 to 15 minutes and come back on. For whatever reason, DoorDash reassigns orders when you pause for 10 minutes. When these bad orders are coming in, just pause for 10 minutes. Or if you're in a busier market, completely sign out of the app and come back in so it can reset the algo for you. And hopefully that'll help you get some better orders. Because I know for me in my market, once I do that, suddenly when I get back on, now I'm getting hit with the $8, $9 orders. So you should try it in your market and see if it works for you. Number 5, schedule dash priority. See, everybody and their mama try to dash at the same time, especially when it's busy. But here's the cheat code. If you schedule your dash ahead of time, DoorDash gives you better orders, VIP access sometimes. You'll get first dibs while the Dash Now folks fight over them little crumbs. Pro tip, schedule around hot restaurants, not the zones. You already know the zones don't mean a damn thing. Now I'm gonna give you guys a bonus hack. Mileage equals money. Look, if you're not tracking your miles, you're just leaving money on the table. The government is paying 70 cents a mile for 2025. That adds up fast. Download something like Gridwise, HURDLR, or even Everglance. I have a link down below if you'd like to sign up to one of them. Let this app track your trips, expenses, and mileage. Come tax time, you'll be thanking yourself. This is not even a DoorDash hack, it's a life hack. That's it for part 2. Y'all, hopefully these cheat codes help y'all make more money and work less while you're out here in these streets. I go by the name AD. For those who don't know, thank you for coming to the channel. Thank you for watching the video. Like, comment, and subscribe. It's your boy AD, signing out. I'm out, fam.